Please welcome three-time gold medalist Eileen Gu and five-time world chess champion Magnus Carlsen.
The great chemist Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less."
As the daughter of a molecular geneticist, that totally tracks with how she raised me. She taught me never to let fear stop me from taking a leap. That's good advice, whether it's on the slopes or on the chessboard.
Or in the lab. To understand more about how cells work, our next laureates had to take a bold leap into unknown territory.
In the teeming chaos of life at the molecular level, they discovered a whole new system of organization.
Every cell in your body is a microscopic city. For decades, it was thought that the life of the city took place within organelles, walled structures where the serious work is done: administration, power generation, quality control. But two scientists had the courage to look deeper. They began to realize that things could be organized differently. Under certain conditions, beyond the walls of the organelles, there is a sudden transition to a new kind of system. Fluids spontaneously condense into fleeting structures where cellular agents can meet, interact, make changes. And what at first seemed like an intriguing exception turned out to be a revolution. A new system of organization that influences some of the most important processes of life. How cells send signals, express genes, divide and replicate. Their discovery has transformed our understanding of cells, the microscopic cities that run life on Earth.
For discovering a fundamental mechanism of cellular organization mediated by phase separation of proteins and RNA into membraneless liquid droplets,
The Breakthrough Prize in Life Scientists goes to Cliff, Brangwynne, and Tony Hyman.
Well, it's thrilling to be here and truly unexpected. I certainly got into science in a very roundabout way, and if there are any high school classmates watching, I'm sure they are saying to themselves, that guy? But this marriage of materials physics and cell biology that underlies our discovery also didn't really make sense at first and was similarly unexpected. So to all those kids out there who don't quite fit in, be yourself. Get comfortable being uncomfortable right now, and stay curious. Thank you.
I'll never forget the moment Cliff called me over to the microscope. "Look, it's a liquid," he said. As I looked down the microscope, my heart started pounding. My palms started sweating. I didn't yet know exactly what we'd uncovered, but I knew things would never be the same. As scientists, we live for these rare moments when simple curiosity about the way the world works changes the way we think.